Guys, I'm Emma, and and this is do it.
And I'm a sexy girl.
Say hey.
Hey.
Me and Michael already did the saltine cracker challenge, and now my brother Derek is going to do it. And if you're unaware, the saltine cracker challenge is where you have to fit 6 crackers in your mouth in 60 seconds. Derek's gonna do it. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 41, 40, wait, what am I? 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
He did it!
He did it, folks. Woo! Goodbye.
Yeah, goodbye.